Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet. The sun is setting and I have a beautiful 2021 Dodge Charger GT. This comes in a triple nickel metallic is what it is called. It has a 3.6 liter V6 and an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have these 20-inch low profile wheels. Go inside here. You have black leather interior along with this plush interior. They are vented and heated seats. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have a backup camera, and this 3.6 liter has launch control. Right there. You have launch control on this bad boy. You have Bluetooth and cruise control. This 21 has 17,363 miles, so you still do have factory warranty. Come over here, here's your climate controls. Look, super track pack. I mean, this thing will fly down the interstate. It has remote start and push to start. You have plenty of trunk space in this Dodge. There we go. I mean, quite a bit of room for this GT. This thing will not last long. When we get Chargers, they just fly themselves right off the lot. My number's in the description, so is the social media and our website. Call, text me. Let's work some numbers. Let's make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.